Are you tired of spending hours preparing rotis manually? Do you want to improve the efficiency of your roti making process while ensuring hygiene and consistency? Look no further than CADSON Engineering's automatic roti making machine. CADSON Engineering is a leading manufacturer of high-quality food processing machinery in Bangladesh, and their automatic roti making machine is a game-changer for the roti making industry. This innovative machine can knead the dough, roll it out into thin sheets, and bake the rotis to perfection, all without any manual intervention. The machine is designed to be easy to use and requires minimal training, making it an ideal option for large-scale roti production. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a variety of safety features and is designed to be easy to clean, ensuring hygiene and safety in the roti making process. With CADSON Engineering's automatic roti making machine, you can save time and labor costs while producing consistent, high-quality rotis that are safe for consumption. Whether you are a restaurant owner, a catering business, or a food processing company, this machine is a must-have for improving the efficiency and quality of your roti making process. In this video, we will take a closer look at CADSON Engineering's automatic roti making machine, its features and benefits, and how it can revolutionize your roti making process. Join us as we explore this amazing machine and discover how it can transform your business.